Alright guys, got an Audi Q5 here. It's very hard to find information on how to change a fuse for the cigarette powered sockets in the car. So what you do, obviously I've had to refer to the manual. I've had to refer to the manual for information. You pop open the right hand side, you find 3 panels here with these pink things covering them. It's the second one. So the fuse that's blown is this one here. You can see it's cracked in the middle. Got myself a new one. It's not same, but it's similar, and that's the fuse that will replace it. It's got to be so it's a 20 watt on this one, and I've got myself a 20 watt on this one as well. So it's that number 2 there. So if you're trying to change a fuse for your cigarette lighter in your car, which runs your Tomtoms, your mobile chargers, there's not a lot on the internet, especially on YouTube. You've got some funny videos that don't really want to help you, but what you're looking for is this second one here. So you take this out, it's that number 2, replace it with a 20 amp fuse. So you've got loads of fuses on the car. You've got fuses going on this side, you've got fuses on that side. There's none of them. It's the one in the boot.